Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop automatic opening of apps in Windows 10 so your computer starts faster and stays clutter-free. Step 1. Right-click on the taskbar. This will open a menu where you can access various tools, and it's the quickest way to reach Task Manager without searching through multiple menus. Step 2. Click on Task Manager. Task Manager is a built-in Windows tool that helps you see all running apps and control which programs start automatically. Step 3. If Task Manager does not open, click on the search icon. This is usually located next to the Start menu, and it allows you to quickly find any app or system tool. Step 4. Type Task Manager in the search box and click on Task Manager from the results. This ensures that you can access it even if the right-click menu does not work. Step 5. In Task Manager, click on Startup Apps. This section shows all the programs that automatically open when your computer starts, giving you control over what runs in the background. Step 6. Find the app you do not want to open automatically. Look for the apps you rarely use or that slow down your startup, like Spotify or iTunes Helper. Step 7. Click on the app to select it. This highlights the app so that you can make changes to its startup behavior. Step 8. Click on Disable. Disabling the app prevents it from opening automatically, saving system resources and making your computer faster. Repeat the same steps for any other apps you want to stop from opening automatically. You can manage all your startup apps in one place using this method. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.